Hi everyone and welcome back. So for today's episode I have this amazing design from MD Watch Faces which is available on Google Play Store under the name of MD302. Also I'm doing a giveaway for this watch face. All you have to do is that just drop a thumbs up and comment down in the comment section to be selected as a lucky random winner. Okay, now moving on to the watch face design, it has a decent and sporty look. At the same time we have a red and black combination used with this watch face, which also kind of matches with the red button on Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. Talking about the information, it has been placed in a nice way. On the left side, we have our date and week meter. On the right side, we have our step counter and dual time. Also, you can see that distance traveled is present here. Of course, you can modify these options later in complication settings, but overall, by default, it has an amazing design. Plus that battery percentage at the bottom is a lot handy. In order to customize this watch face, just long press on it and tap on customize. First of all, you can change dial color like this. I like the red one, so I'll keep that. Next you can change color with the two dials in the background. Now you can see that color is changing. Next you can customize the date color. Also you can show or hide index markings. And the next thing that I like the most about this watch face is the ability to customize watch hands. Like it makes the watch face look entirely different. Then you can also change background color as a whole. Now you can see that we have a lot of options to choose from. And in the last we have few settings for complications. So this was MD302 available on Google Play Store. Check it out, and if you're not able to win this watch face, just buy it and support the developer's amazing work. Okay, now moving on to the watch face, always on display mode, our background is dimmed down while watch hands are still highlighted in a lighter color. Also just double tap on the watch face and all the colors plus second hand will be back. So try it out and let me know in the comment section, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.